This is Sonia Khanna, and you are watching Learn with Motivation. Student, as you know about IPO cycle, in which computer get input from input devices and process it and then give output with the help of output devices. In this video, we will learn about computer peripheral. All the devices which help us to give input and output are the part of computer peripheral. A computer peripheral is an external device that provide input and output for the computer. For example, a keyboard and a mouse are input peripheral, while a monitor, printer are output peripheral. Some other peripheral, such as external hard drive, provide both input and output for the computer. Input devices. All the devices which we use to feed the data or instruction into a computer is called input devices. For example, keyboard, mouse, scanner. Further, we classified and understand each device's use. Keyboard. Keyboard is most common input device. It is used today the data and instruction input by typing on the keyboard. The message type on the keyboard reaches the memory unit of a computer. It connects to a computer via cable. Apart from alphabet, number keys, it has other keys too. For example, Alt key, Control key, Shift key, symbol keys, function keys, etc. for performing different functions. Mouse. It is a pointing device. The mouse is rolled over the mouse pad, which is turn control the movement of the cursor in the screen. We can click, double click and drag the mouse. Most of the mouse has a ball beneath them, which rotate when the mouse is moved. The mouse has two wheel of the side, which is turn the mouse with the movement of the ball. The sensor notify the speed of its movement to the computer, which is turn move the cursor pointer on the screen. Basically, we can divide the mouse into two parts. For first is with wire, which is called optical mouse, and second is without wire mouse. Scanner. Scanner are used to enter the information directly into the computer memory. This device work like a Xerox machine. The scanner convert any type of printed or written information, including the photograph, into a digital pulses which can be manipulated by the computer. Trackball. Trackball is similar to the upside down side design of the mouse. The user moves the ball directly while the device itself remains stationary. The user spin the ball in various directions to effect the screen movement. Light pen. This is an input device which is used to draw line and figure on a computer screen. It touches to the CRT screen where it can detect raster on the screen as it passes. OCR, Optical Character Reader. It is a device which detects alphanumeric character printed on the written on paper. The text which is to be scanned is illuminated by a low frequency light source. The light is absorbed by the dark area but reflected from the bright area. The reflected light is received by the photocell. You can see in the picture OCR machine give the input to the monitor. BCR barcode reader. You easily see this type of BCR in malls too. The device read the barcode and convert them into the electric pulses to be processed by a computer. A barcode is nothing but the data coded in the form of light and dark bars. Microphone. A microphone is a device that translates the sound vibration in the air into electronic signals and scribes them to a recording medium. Microphone enable many of the audio recording devices for the purpose including communication of many kinds as well as music and speech recording too. Digital camera. It converts the graphic directly into the digital form. It looks like an ordinary camera, but it has no film inside it. It has a chip, which is you can say memory chip. It when light fall on the chip through the lens, it convert light wave into the electric waves. Joystick. Many people play games with the help of joystick. This is another pointing device used to control the movement of the object on the screen. It consists of a stick mounted on a spherical ball at its base which control the movement of the object with the movement of stick. These are used to control the gaming object on the screen, also for controlling the simulation because it's flexible in movement. It provides better control than arrow keys on the keyboard or a mouse. Output devices. All the devices which we use to get the information from the computer after processing the input data are called output devices. For example, monitor, speaker, printer, projector, etc. Monitor. The most common computer output device is the monitor or computer screen. Monitor create visual display. That is why it is called VDU. There are many variety of screens according to size and visual resolution. There are two common type of modern monitors are CRT and LCD. Further, we classified LCD into TFT and LED too. Printer. A printer is an output device that accepts the text and graphic output from the computer and transfer into on a paper. That paper is called printout and the hard copy also. Printer vary in size, speed, sophistication. We can further classify printer into two parts, impact printer and non-impact printer. There are example of impact printer daisy wheel and dot matrix, and example of non-impact printer are inkjet, thermal and laser printer. Speaker. Computer produce audio data that require output device such as speaker and headphone to deliver the sound to you. Audio data is created by a computer and then sent to the audio card, which is located is an expansion slot. The card translates the data into audio signal which are sent to the audio output device. Plotter. A plotter is a computer hardware device much like a printer that is used to printing vector graphic. Instead of toner, plotter, use a pen, pencil. You can see most of Posters printed by plotter. Projector. A projector or image projector is an optical device that projects an image onto the surface, commonly a projection screen. Most projectors created an image by shining a light through a small transparent lens, but some newer type of projector can project the images directly by using laser. You can easily see these type of projector in cinema hall and your smart glasses too. Hope you understand the topic. Thank you.